Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a juicy Louisiana crispy fried chicken halves. Alright, so that's what we're going to be making right here. Alright, so but they're going to be halves of chickens. Alright, so what I did here was I filled this pot up over my meat. That's what you want to do. You want to brine this overnight, okay guys? And what I did, I put some red onions and I put like a half of red onions in here and a half of white onions and like 4 garlic cloves, and followed by a teaspoon of salt, and I put 2 bay leaves in it. And that's what we got right here, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and then show you guys what we're gonna be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. What we're gonna do is just dry this chicken off a little bit, get most of this water off of here. Flip him over, get up in the cavity part, because you don't want no water in there. And if you can, try to clean your the chicken like ahead of time before you brine it. And do let your chicken sit out for about a good half an hour on the table. Okay, because you want it to be room temperature when you frying this chicken. That's it. I got my deep fryer going at 350. Alright, now you don't need, this is a 22-ounce box of this right here, the Louisiana season. This is already seasoned, guys. Okay, you don't need no salt and none of that stuff. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take like a portion of this, maybe a third of this, and put it in this bowl. We're going to mix it up with some water. So let me get this bowl right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. About that much right there. So we're gonna make a wet batter too. This rest of this going in this Ziploc bag. Now if you can use 2 bowls, that'd be nice too. So I'm gonna put the rest of this in this bag, because it's gonna be all dry. And this particular brand, it do have a little spice to it, so you ain't got to do nothing like with no pepper and Cajun seasoning. Okay, that's that in the bag. We're gonna get some water and mix this up. I might put an egg in there. All right. So here's my water I'm putting in here. This is like my cup of that. Mix this around up in here. And for future reference, guys, I always use peanut oil. So that's what I use, guys. That's my preferred thing that I use. I'm finna crack me an egg up in here. Like so. There's the garbage. And I'm gonna mix this up in here. You want it kind of a little bit thick, like that. Should have had my whisk out here, but I didn't. But it's okay. All right. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one of these half of chickens. And I always put mine in here from the back side first. Just like so. There's another nap. Yep. Just gonna put that in there like that. Move it around. Hold him up real nice. this must drip a little bit. You got to put it in that bag. This probably work better if you had a, you know what, I might have to do that too. I think I will do that. Use that other bowl. I have another bowl right here. I'm just going to simply pour the seasoning in here because it's going to be a hot mess in this bag because it's wet. Okay, that's what we got. So I'm gonna make me a well a little bit here. Push it up on the side. So we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna let them drip a little bit. Like I said, I'll come in from the back side first. Put some on the top. Like that. I like to press down on it a little bit. Make sure you get up under his arms. Flip them over. Like that. All right, guys. Shake it off. Like so. You see this leg didn't get a lot of it on there either. So you just gotta make sure you do it. This is why I put it in the bag, 'cause I like to shake it around. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna sit this right here and work on our other one. You get something that look like it needs some more, just take you a little bit and put it on there. Like that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this next one, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now, first thing we're going to do is raise this. Because if you put that in there on that hot thing right there, your chicken will stick. No doubt about it. We're going to raise that down in there. We're going to drop this bad boy in here. Nice and easy. Just like so. Notice I'm dropping one at a time, because this is a big chicken, and he will swell up. So I'm going to grab this other one. And drop him in there. Just like that, guys. Alright, we're going to let that cook down for about good 17-18 minutes. Alright, you guys when that be done in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. This is how it's looking. And it's super crispy. We're going to let it cook for about good 3 more minutes. So the grease calm down, that's when I know it's done. So that bird's going to be nice and juicy. Guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this juicy Louisiana seasoned crispy fried chicken. Alright, and this is how it looks. It looks good too, and it's still crunchy. But that's how that looks, guys. You can hear that? Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy, guys. Guys need to try this recipe out. I'm hoping you guys try this recipe out. It's super good and juicy. Anytime you brine your chicken, it's gonna all be tender and juicy. It won't dry out that white meat at all. Okay? So guys, saying that to say this, please give me a like and a share. Please subscribe to the channel. And that's right, don't forget to hit this bell, just like so. Hit the bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love, and I'm out.